What is going on, and welcome back to another video here today. We're going to be starting off by fixing the wagon exhaust. Amy, what happened?
So yesterday I was driving home from going to look at my car. We'll be done soon.
Yeah, we're going to look at that today too. So.
And I was backing up and
it just fell off the hanger.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got to get this Johnny in the air and see if we can reattach it. Hopefully it won't be too bad. All right, y'all, so the hanger broke in two places, one in the middle and one at the end. There's only one bolt connecting this, like, I guess cat back, and we're just taking this out. Bam, drag the exhaust out and we'll call it a day. But this is taking a minute. Did you hit it? It'll make a beep. I mean, that should let it come out. We'll go pull it and see what happens. Ugh.
I like how Fitz got his purse right there.
Got it. Fixed it.
Good job!
Alright, we're probably going to take this to an exhaust shop later this week. Today is Memorial Day, so nothing's going to be open. Straight pipe Wagon for a day or two, and it's going to be it. Let's get some lunch, man, some coffee. I'm ready. I'm ready. Alright, Wagon cold start. Oh, the M50! The M50, oh! Maybe I do want to straight pipe the wagon.
Oh, that little kid has her ears plugged. look at her. That was fucking hilarious.
Alright, this sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Dang it, dude. Now, let me know. Do we straight pipe it? Do we not?
This is from me dragging it last night, huh?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Static.
I had no choice, okay?
So, this sounds god awful. It's fine right now because we're coasting, but wait till we have to accelerate at all. It rattles my brain, bro. That is so bad. That makes everything in here vibrate. And we're at $2,000. That's 2,500. Blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, disregard that whole straight pipe in the wagon thing. This is terrible. I got the usual venti ice white chocolate mocha. Emmy, what'd you get? What'd you get?
A mango dragon fruit lemonade.
Very good. I tried that. It was good as well. That's about it this second. We are going to see Emmy's car in a little while though. So I hope you guys are excited, man. I still have not seen the color on the car. I've seen it sprayed out. I don't think you guys have seen it either, but we're gonna see it later today. I'm excited. What's going on, y'all? It's a couple days later. The E34 exhaust is not on yet, so it is still straight piped. The E30 is getting sold Monday. Today is Friday, but I need to put on the stock wheels. So if any of you guys are interested in these, 650 bucks, come pick them up. Putting on the stock wheels, putting in the different rear springs. I have more of these just like uncut ones over here. So I'll toss those in the rear. And the guy lives in Europe. So his brother lives in Fayetteville, which is about an hour from here. I don't know why or how he's getting it over there. He said a container, but it's crazy. Skyline, the rack is not back yet. Last night I actually ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I'll show you guys right now. So I ordered a D-Max roof spoiler. I'm looking at getting a D-Max wing from somebody else. I ordered GK Tech whole mirrors. I ordered my inner and outer tie rods, and that's about, oh, I ordered my tires as well. So we got a bunch of that stuff coming for the 32, hopefully to set up in the future videos. For now, let's get this thing in the air, swap over some wheels, and look at it semi-stock again. And lastly, I got a starlit ceiling that Kaz and I are gonna do. So super excited for what's to come with the R32. So we got this side done, all wrapped up. A little bit taller spring on this side. Put the wheel back on, do the same to the other side. All right, boys, and just like that, the E30 is back to a stocker form. The stocks are really flat. Well, that one was, so we're gonna pump that up, take it out, make sure it drives here in just a minute, but it's idling fine. It's idling like 1,000, and it lifted up a little bit for him so he can get it on the container. So crazy, crazy, man. Hope his boys show up next Monday, so fingers crossed. Also, with these new stock wheels on here, dude, it actually rides so nice. I don't know why I didn't put up just a little bit bigger springs in the rear like I did for him, because this rides so much better on this setup than it did before. But anyways, hopefully they're coming Monday, and I'll see y'all then.
Good morning. It is a couple days later. We are taking the Wagon exhaust in to be fixed. Finally got up early enough, I hope, to get an exhaust appointment, and the E30 buyer flaked like always. So if somebody wants an E30, 5,300 bucks on the stocks, 650 bucks for these Johns. Come get both, bring cash. Skyline is getting tinted tomorrow, so we will see a little bit of that, and just waiting for the rest of my parts to get here. So much. So let's go get some Dunkin', get this welded up so it doesn't sound like a freaking Honda. Maybe that sounds too good for a Honda. Let me know down below.
Might trade the E30 for a bike. I don't know. Might trade it for an E36 instead of having to get one next spring. I don't know. Might just sell it. We got a bunch of supplies here for an upcoming project. As in a video for the future. I'll let you guys guess what it's for. But we got Bondo, filler, fiberglass, aluminum tape, sandpaper. So I'll leave it at that for you guys. As for this morning, I'm gonna be cleaning out the garage before I get started on this project, and that's gonna be it. Just gonna be hanging out. That's gonna be it. So thank you guys so much for watching. A little bit of an update video here for y'all. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'll be back. We'll be back soon. Skyline will be back. E30 will hopefully be gone, and we'll go from there, get some videos rolling, get a lot of content, a lot more good stuff coming, so much more good stuff coming on the way real soon. So stay updated, subscribe, keep up with it, and I'll see y'all soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.